So this is the Marriott Resort in Grand Cayman. We're here. We'll be checking in a few minutes. So this is in Georgetown.
Georgetown is the capital of Grand Cayman. It is known its vibrant culture, bustling waterfront, and plenty of things to explore.
So they have a parking lot. It's a free parking included with the resort fee.
Welcome to Grand Cayman Marriott Resort. Grand Cayman is renowned for its stunning beauty, but it is also known as one of the most expensive islands to visit. Since hotels and resorts here tend to be pricier than many other destinations, it is important to set the right expectation before you arrive. Today we are taking you inside the Grand Cayman Marriott Resort. We'll begin by exploring the lobby, then show you the room we stayed in, a courtyard view with 2 queen beds and a balcony. After that, we'll take a leisurely stroll through the resort's beautiful courtyard garden and check out the beach situation. We'll also sample the room service menu and wrap up with a peaceful walk in front of the resort, while the lighting sets a truly stunning atmosphere. As always, we'll share our perspective and discuss which type of travelers this resort might be the best fit for. We'll also walk you through our experience to help you decide if the resort is the right choice for you. Lots of great content is just ahead, so don't go anywhere.
So this is the entrance to the resort. So we're here. This is the check-in lobby. So here is the lobby area. Have a one restaurant around it at Marriott Resort in Grand Cayman. This is the check-in area.
Our check-in experience was fantastic. It was quick, smooth, and hassle-free. The front desk advisor was incredibly courteous, polite, and provided all the essential information we needed for our stay. So far so good. It has been a great start to our visit. One thing to keep in mind, check-in is in at 4 p.m. and checkout is at 11 a.m. So if you're arriving early or departing late, be sure to coordinate with the front desk in advance.
Very nice decor here.
On the wall, they have a symbolic 7 stingrays, which is a neat touch since this resort is located on 7 Mile Beach, one of the most beautiful beaches in the world.
So they have a one marketplace, a shop right over here. This is the quick showing of the store they have over here. So very nice. You can buy some souvenirs here. So this is in Cayman Islands, it's a Grand Cayman, the end of December.
Next, let's take you on a room tour. We stayed in a courtyard view room with 2 queen beds and a cozy balcony.
I like the lobby, it looks like a shopping mall. So this is the room number 405. Aisha.
Hi.
So we just checked in at Marriott Resort in Grand Cayman. So this is the entrance of the room right here. So they have an adjacent closet right over here. It's a nice size. And there's a bathroom right over here. So shower looks nice. Like the lighting here. Very nice. And then there is a mirror right over here. Some hangers. Nice. This is a 2 queen bed. So there's some complimentary drinks and some snacks right over here. And the lobby, they have some fruit punch. There's a small balcony. That's Farhan. Serrano is sitting. This is the view. Very nice. I like the view here, very peaceful and always shady here. So there are some lounge chairs.
Now that you have seen a glimpse of the courtyard from the balcony, we'll take you on a walkthrough of the beautiful courtyard garden next. To sum up the room tour, this is a basic 2 queen bedroom, nothing fancy, but spacious enough for 4 people. The room was very clean, everything looked new, likely due to recent renovations. One thing to keep in mind, many rooms here come with full-size beds. If you are a group of 4, booking a room with 2 queen beds will ensure more comfortable stay. Overall, we had no issues. The beds and pillows are comfortable and we had a great night's sleep.
So this is the back side of the Marriott Resort. This is really inviting. We have a lot of sitting chairs over here.
Welcome to the peaceful and relaxing courtyard garden at Marriott Resort in Grand Cayman. Surrounded by lush greenery, this serene oasis is the perfect place to unwind. As you walk through this lush garden, you'll find cozy lounge chairs scattered throughout the garden. Available on first-come, first-served basis. No reservations or extra fees are needed, and we loved how the chairs are available throughout the day. What makes this courtyard even more special is its intimate feel. Surrounded by the resort's building, it feels private and secluded, with plenty of shades from the trees and greenery. It is the ideal spot to relax, whether you are lounging with a good book, enjoying the gentle island breeze, or simply soaking in the beauty of the tropical garden. This space offers a true escape from the everyday, a place where the beauty and relaxation come together, inviting you to pause, breathe, and embrace the simple joys of life. We really had a fantastic time here. This courtyard is also the pathway to the pool and the ocean areas. This is where we will head next.
So when you are here in the back side of the Marriott, then you just come towards the ocean. So you just walk past the garden area, and then this is the restaurant. They have one of the beachside restaurants, the veranda over here. The food is really good. We tried the last night dinner, in-room dinners from here. It was really good. This is a quick look of the restaurant.
Yeah, my husband's from Greece.
So there's the ocean at Marriott over here. Unfortunately, their beach was gone due to the hurricane, but the property looks beautiful.
We are just a few steps away from the beach area. But before we get there, here is a brief history of what happened to the beach. Once known as a Grand Cayman Marriott Beach Resort, this property has a unique story to tell. A Category 5 hurricane hit the Cayman Islands, forever changing this property. The storm washed away the beach, and now the ocean crashes directly against the walls.
So this is at the Marriott Resort in Grand Cayman. So unfortunately they don't have any beach here. So this is how it looks. So if the beach is the main priority, this is not the resort to stay in. We just here for the couple nights, 3 days, just to check out this property. Lano, Aisha and Farhan is waiting here. So they added a stairs here. So you can still see the beautiful ocean from here. So this is the room service dinner that we're having at Marriott Resort in Grand Cayman. This is almost 11 o'clock. So let's see what we ordered.
Okay, so first of all, we have a vegetable pad thai.
Okay.
It will come along with a chili sauce on the side. Just to let you know, it's a little bit spicy as well.
Okay.
Then we have a Hanker and Dan burger. It's a medium well temperature.
Okay.
And here we.
What kind of burger is this?
It's a Hanker and Dan burger. It's a beef burger.
Okay.
And we have on the side half salad. It will be shared as well, along with the fries as well. It will come.
Looks good.
And we have a dressing as well on side. So next, here we have the snapper.
Oh, looks good. Very nice.
That's a 7 mile cake. So it
7
will
mile
be
cake.
7 layers of cake. Like it will be coming with a caramel flavor as well.
Awesome.
In between of it. So can I open it?
Sure, please.
Sure. Just don't know. So
Thank you.
so that's the 7 mile cake. Just to let you know.
Yeah, looks good.
And here we have the chicken bites.
Chicken bites. Wow, looks very good.
And lastly, we have the salted caramel. It's it will be accompanied with cookies on the side as well.
Okay, sounds good. Nice. Thank you, Milton.
So, and on the side you have
Appreciate that.
The in-room dining came from the Veranda restaurant, which you saw earlier by the ocean. The food was delicious, and most importantly, the service was exceptional. We ordered late at night, and everything was made to order. The food was perfectly wrapped and covered with care. When the delivery arrived, the delivery person carefully opened everything, explained each dish, and made sure we had everything we needed. It was a great experience. Next, we'll take a short walk starting from the hotel entrance and heading up to the street. We absolutely love this walk every night. This will give you a glimpse of how Grand Cayman looks after dark as we share our final thoughts along the way.
So this is in front of the Marriott. Walking at night. This is 9:15 right now. Looks very beautiful at night. So we're gonna walk to Al Kebab. There is a restaurant, is Rano. We are in Grand Cayman. The Grand Cayman is very safe. We have been walking at night. Anywhere we go, we feel safe.
To sum up our stay, we had a great time at Grand Cayman Marriott Resort. However, it is important to note there is no beach here anymore. So, here is what we did. We spent the first 6 days at Seafire Resort, located on the 7 Mile Beach, and enjoyed all the beach activities there. After that, we wanted to explore Georgetown, and staying here was a great choice for us. Since beach access wasn't a priority, we focused on service, relaxation, food, and the unique Georgetown vibe. What happened to the beach isn't Marriott Resort's fault. A hurricane took it away. But the resort has adapted and continues to offer a beautiful Caribbean experience. To make up for the lack of a beach, They provide a free shuttle to nearby beaches and offer a variety of water sports, including kayaks, paddle boards, floating trampolines, paddle boats, water hammocks, and snorkeling gear, all included in the resort fees. Some activities may require reservations. If you are looking for a beach-focused vacation and need a beach next to the resort, this may not be the place for you. But if the beach access isn't a deal breaker, this resort is a fantastic choice. And if you're staying longer, you can split your time like how we did and enjoy the best of the both worlds. We hope this video helps you make an informed decision about your stay in Grand Cayman. Thank you so much for watching and hope you are staying connected with us. Until next time, happy travels.